Hi kids! Once again, welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club. We learn painting here. I hope you like this channel. Do you like drawing and painting? Very good.
Bruh.
Let's start and keep watching the video. Today we are going to color an animal. Now we choose black color. Very nice. Good job and keep it up.
Oh yeah.
Excellent. Nice color. Very nice. I hope you are enjoying.